vaccine developed in record time, taking longer than some had hoped when it comes to getting shots in the arms. In St. Johns County, like in many places, there have been some questions which cropped up today during a meeting of county officials. Jessica Clark is on your side in St. Johns County explaining how this could affect you.
Did the state health department think that everybody has a car?
Frustration at Tuesday's St. Johns County Commission meeting over the state health department's vaccine plan, which resulted in long lines last week.
Senior citizens waiting for hours, sleeping in their car overnight, which is just absolutely unacceptable.
Seeing the state health department lacked manpower and resources, the county took over the local process over the weekend. The state health department accepted the help. Now, the county's paramedics and EMTs are giving the initial vaccines at the Solomon Calhoun Community Center in West Augustine. But there's no word on when shipments for the necessary second dose will arrive from the state health department.
We've not been given the date when that shipment is coming in. We are making those appointments with the expectation the shipment is coming. We've been told by the Department of Health it's going to come.
The county is also considering letting volunteers help with the vaccine process to lighten the load on the fire personnel currently working the site.
Seems to me with the number of retirees we have from military, we could get help with logistics and with medical. Should be able to get volunteers to help with that, I would hope.
St. Johns County is also considering a second vaccine location somewhere in the north part of the county.
There's a couple in Ponte Vedra area and a couple in the Julington Creek northwest area. So northwest and northeast is where we're looking at.
Tuesday, county commissioners approved spending up to $1 million to fund the initial COVID-19 vaccination program. To date, St. Johns County has received 3,800 doses. Flagler Hospital and private health care providers are also receiving doses. In St. Augustine, Jessica Clark, First Coast News, on your side.
Jess, thank you so much. You now need to register to get a vaccine in St. Johns County. The county has set up a hotline. The number is 904-295-3711. You have to dial all 10 of those digits you see there on your screen.